So, what do I believe is the best type of training partner or friend or person to surround yourself with when it comes to improvement? It's the one who loves to collaborate with you. He doesn't compete, or he doesn't overly compete with you. He's not overly cooperative. He is somewhere in between. Perfect balance, like what Thanos wanted. So, why is the person who loves to collaborate the best person to have around you when it comes to improvement? Why? Because they challenge you to do better. It's a right mix of being overly competitive but cooperative enough. Oh, sorry, it's a mix of being competitive enough to push you to do better, but cooperative enough if they know it's beyond your skill at that time. Okay? And their goal usually is to get you to the next level, because for them, your success is their success. So that is the best type of training partner to have. Why? Because first, they teach you what you need to work on. If they see that you always get caught in arm locks, they catch you always in arm locks. If they're overly competitive, they won't tell you how to defend. Why? Because every time they win, that's their goal, or their goal is always to win. If they're too cooperative, they catch you in an arm lock, they know you're gonna feel bad if you tap, so they let go. And they go, oh man, your arm lock defense is on point, brother. Good job. No. Okay? But the the person who loves to collaborate will help you improve on that aspect of your game. Next,